Hey guys, it's Ricky again. Just got off the water with Alan today. We went to Munden Point Park and caught quite a couple of good fish. I think I caught 3 or 4 pickerel and 2 bass. The biggest pickerel went for 23 inches, and the bass went for about 14 3/4, I think. But we'll show the video here soon and of all the fish. But first, I want to do a giveaway. What I'll be giving away is, as everybody knows that subscribes to my channel, a pro staff for Evilution lures, and so I decided that I was going to help them out, help my YouTube channel out. So what we're going to do is, there's 2 things you have to do, only 2. Go to their Facebook page, like their Facebook page, check it out, and 3 things. Do 3. Like their Facebook page, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below what you like about these lures right here. And if you haven't checked out my review on them, go back into my videos, check them out. It's a pretty decent review on all their lures and stuff. But what I'll be giving away is their Evil V. It's basically 2 wires with 2 willow leaves and 2 Colorado blades. We'll be giving away that one. Their buzzbait. And what I really like about these is this little flag right here. So when you spin this thing, it comes through the water. It creates that extra little bit of noise. Plus, it already comes pretty well tuned. So that's their bumblebee color, and this is their white shad color, I believe. So I'll be doing those, as well as the newer Vortex. The difference between this, it has 2 Colorado blades right here, and this little bend that keeps it from sliding up and down, so it stays right there in that one area. And this is the bleeding shad color. I really like this color a lot in clear water. It looks like a bait fish that's died and kind of or wounded and it's bleeding. And then my favorite, the Wicked RS. This one's just got 1 single Colorado leaf right there. This is the baby bass color, which is also a pretty good clear water bait. But those are the 4, so make sure you do all 3 of those things. Like their Facebook page, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and comment down below. It doesn't even have to be about the baits, just throw a comment down there. And what we'll do is, once I hit 120 subscribers, which is only a little less than 60 more than I already have right now, we will do a randomizer, a comment randomizer, and we'll pick a winner that way. So please share this video, share my channel, and let's get some more subscribers, and we will give these baits away. So on to the fishing. It was pretty windy out there today. I think the winds got almost up to 20 miles an hour, but we were in a little kind of creek area where the wind wasn't too bad, and there were some pretty good spots where we would catch fish, and we'd go for a while without catching fish. So hope you liked the video. Here it is. Enjoy.
you.